this topic, which is about bisexuality, lesbians and gays in our society. So let's check out what is Mumbai views on it. Lesbo thing and a gay thing. When you first, listen about these things, what came first in your mind?
I am not very sure. I think it's a personal choice that everybody has. I don't particularly judge people that way. So if it's their thing, it's their thing. Of course, I would not be the one to support it.
I think it's basically one's choice. Finally, it is on what you prefer, and everyone has a right to live the way they want to. So, if you prefer somebody of the same sex living with somebody from the same sex, somebody from the opposite sex, it's something that you have to choose and you got to decide, and nobody knows you better than your own self. So, what you prefer and with whose company you prefer it with is totally your choice. So,
Do you think that lesbians and gays should open up with their relationship or what?
I feel they should, because now since society is changing.
So you can say it happens very rarely, like out of 199, like one person saying this.
And you?
Sure.
Don't ask me.
I think they should.
ओपन रहना चाहिए.
Yeah, definitely they should. It's completely natural and it's their choice. And as long as they are not harming anyone else, and as long as it's consensual, why should anyone have a problem? I mean,
Okay.
They should actually open up, but the thing is, once you open up, the society doesn't really appreciate that, and they don't get the same respect as normal people get.
actually, if the society is ready to accept them, then I think they should open up. If somebody loves somebody and that person is sure about what he or she wants, I think there's no point hiding what thing. It's basically how a person feels about oneself, and it's because of few experiences that they understand what they are and why they are like this. It's totally biological and it's fine.
Okay. So what do you think about people can't spend time or spend life with a similar sex person?
Can be. I mean, we have friends and all. Like if you call it as like your best friends and all, you have a similar sex friends. So if I have to live with them, I will live with them, but maybe not
Like a life partner.
life partner. Yeah.
Okay.
Depends on each person's choice. He can choose anyone he wants.
Exactly. It depends on the choice, I think so.
It can be with same gender. You never know.
यार ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, अंडरस्टैंडिंग होना चाहिए. अंडरस्टैंडिंग पे सब है. प्यार तो क्या हो ही जाता है. ऐसा कुछ ज़रूरी नहीं है कि लड़की होना चाहिए, लड़का ही होना चाहिए. तो सेम जेंडर है तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए. That's no open.
no, like it's your choice whom you want to love after all. And when I say it's your choice, I do not mean to say that you choose the person you fall in love with, but yeah, like it's your body which decides that who it's attracted to and who it's not attracted not to.
Like, yeah, long-term relationship. If you are in love, then why not? Obviously, you want that you should be that person whom you love and all. So, yeah.
See, in this regards, what I would say is that if I'm normal right now, I will definitely like a person of the opposite sex to love, right? So if somebody forces me to not love somebody of the opposite sex, it's going to be tough for me. Similarly, I think for gays and lesbians, it's going to be tough to tell them, for a guy to tell a guy to love a girl. So it won't be able to.
Do you think that in India there should be same-sex marriage? It should be like
नहीं उससे प्रॉब्लम होता है कि डिवोर्सेस का रेट बढ़ रहा है उसके वजह से. तो जो लगता है राइट उसके वही फॉलो करना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि सोसाइटी जो बोल रही है वो बेटर है. खुद को जो लगता है वो डिसीजन लेना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से.
What do you think?
I think they should
I don't think that is fair because
It's not anything wrong, because it's like it's your marriage and you feel that the person you are in love with is your better half. You know that a person can handle you. So it doesn't matter if it's the opposite gender, the same gender.
no, there are people whom I know and they are attracted to the same gender, and I think they love each other, and I've seen them, so it's cool.
I don't think in India that is possible.
So that was Mumbai on being lesbians or being gay. So obviously it doesn't matter, or it is not a part of only of sex or a gender. So love yourself, love what you love really, and live free. Tab tak ke liye like, share and subscribe our video because it's free. Bye bye.